Exercise 2.10 second question. You have to shade the region which satisfies this both inequation. First inequation is y is greater than or equal to 2x. Second inequation is minus 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 6. இந்த ரெண்டு இனிக்குவேஷனையும் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆகிற மாதிரி இருக்கிற ரீஜன் கிராஃபில் நம்ம ஷேட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட் இன்இக்குவேஷன்லேருந்து நான் டேப்லர் காலம் வரைகிறதுக்காக ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு ரைட் y இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 2x. ஏன்னா ஈக்குவல் டு சைன் இருந்தால் தான் என்னால் டேப்லர் காலம் வரைய முடியும். ஸோ ஒன்லி ஃபார் ட்ராயிங் டேப்லர் காலம் ஐ எம் புட்டிங் திஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு சைன். So from this y, what I will have is y is equal to 2x. Now I get the tabular column xy. First let me put x is 0. When I put x is 0, 2 into 0, 0. Now if I put x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 means 2 2s are 4. So I have the value 0, 0, 2, 4. இது இப்போ நம்ம கிராஃபில் plot பண்ணால் நமக்கு first line கிடைக்கும். Now in this graph I am going to plot the 2 points, that is 0, 0. So your 0, 0 will be here. The next point 2, 4. 2, 4. So when I join these 2 points I get the first line. Now this is my first line. Now I have to think which side I have to shade so that it satisfies the inequation. So let me select a point from down direction. So let me select the point 2, 2. 2, 2. This point 2, 2 is down direction, this side of the line. I have to see whether this side all the points is satisfying the inequation. For a sample I am selecting a point 2, 2. Now let me substitute it in that inequation. So substitute 2, 2. Substitute 2, 2 in y greater than or equal to 2x. So y value 2. 2 is greater than or equal to 2 into 2. 2 is greater than or equal to 4. Is 2 greater than 4? No. 2 is less than 4. So it is not satisfying the inequation. So now let me select a point above the line, that is this direction of the line. So let me select a point 0, 2. 0, 2. You can see 0, 2 lies this direction of the line. So if this point satisfies the inequation, I have to shade this region. So now I am going to substitute 0, 2 in the above inequation. Substitute 0, 2 in y greater than or equal to 2x. So where y is there I have to substitute 2. Where x is there I have to substitute 0. So 2 is greater than or equal to 0. 2 is surely greater than 0. So it is satisfying the inequation. That means I have to shade this region of the line. So I am shading this region of the line. So in the first line I have to shade the left side of the line. Now we have to form a tabular column for the second inequation. For that purpose let me write equal to sign. If I put equal to sign only, I can form the tabular column. So let me take this minus 2x to the other side. So 3y equal to 6 plus 2x. Or I can write y is equal to 6 plus 2x by 3. Now I have to put various values for x and y to get the tabular column. So let me put x is equal to 0. When I put 0, 2 into 0, 0. So 6 by 3. 6 by 3 when I divide I will have 2. So the value of x is 0 means the value of y is 2. Now let me put another value for x. Let me put x is equal to 3. When I put x is, or let me put a negative number. Let me put x is equal to minus 1. If I put x is equal to minus 1, I will get 6 minus 2. It is not divisible by 3. So let me put x is equal to minus 3. When I put x is equal to minus 3, 2 into minus 3 minus 6. So 6 minus 6 I will have 0. So let me plot these 2 points on the graph, that is 0, 2 and minus 3, 0. 0, 2. 0, 2 will be somewhere here. So I have plotted 0, 2 and the next point what we have written here, minus 3, 0. So let me mark minus 3, 0. So minus 3, 0 will be somewhere here. Now through these 2 points, let me draw the second line. This is our second line. Now I have to think in which side I have to shade for the second line. Whether I have to shade this direction or I have to shade the above region. So let me select a point in this direction of the second line. So let me select a point minus 1, 0. You can see minus 1, 0 is in this direction of the blue line. So let me substitute minus 1, 0 in the second inequation. So let me substitute minus 1, 0 in minus 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 6. So where x is there, I am going to put minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 0 less than or equal to 6. Minus 2 into minus 1 you will have plus 2. 3 into 0 you have 0. So 2 plus 0 is less than or equal to 6. That is 2 is less than or equal to 6. Surely 2 is less than 6. So the inequation is satisfied. So that means we have to shade this portion because minus 1, 0 lies this side. So we have to shade this portion. At the same time, it should be above the red line and it should be below the blue line. That means I have to shade this region which is below the blue line and it should be above the red line. So this shaded portion is our answer, which is lying above the red line and which is lying below the blue line. So this shaded portion is our answer.